Welcome to this tutorial on how to withdraw money in Metamask. Metamask is a popular digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency. Withdrawing money from Metamask is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to have a Metamask account and some cryptocurrency in your wallet. If you don't have an account, you can create one by downloading the Metamask extension or mobile app and following the setup instructions. To withdraw money from Metamask, start by logging into your account and navigating to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the account that holds the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. This will take you to the account details page, where you can view your balance and transaction history. Next, click on the Send button, which is usually represented by an arrow icon. This will open the Send dialog box, where you can enter the recipient address and amount you want to withdraw. In this case, the recipient address will be the address of the exchange or wallet where you want to withdraw your cryptocurrency to. Make sure to enter the correct address, as any mistakes can result in loss of funds. You can also use the QR code scanner to scan the recipient address if you have it. Once you have entered the recipient address and amount, click on the Next button to review the transaction details. On the transaction details page, you can review the recipient address, amount, and any applicable fees. Make sure everything is correct before confirming the transaction. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm button to send the transaction. The transaction will then be processed on the blockchain, which may take a few minutes to complete. Once the transaction is confirmed, the cryptocurrency will be transferred to the recipient address, and you can withdraw it to your bank account or use it for other purposes. It is also important to note that some exchanges may have specific requirements or restrictions for withdrawing cryptocurrency, so be sure to check with the exchange before initiating a withdrawal. Additionally, be aware of any applicable fees or taxes that may apply to your withdrawal. In conclusion, withdrawing money from Metamask is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these instructions and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely withdraw your cryptocurrency from Metamask. Remember to always double-check the recipient address and transaction details before confirming a transaction, and be aware of any applicable fees or restrictions that may apply.